more time is the charm. Tama. So tonight we have witnessed Filipinas who have stepped into their power and owned their story. But before we crown a new queen, we honor the woman who has carried this title with grace, strength, and purpose. For the past year, she has represented the Filipina with dignity and heart on stage and beyond it. This is her final walk as Miss Universe Philippines. Let's take a look back at the amazing journey of our reigning queen. Please watch this.
I don't even remember a life before pageantry. It feels like most of my life, pageantry has been there. It was always one of the dreams to be Miss Universe. It wasn't the only dream, but it is a dream of mine. It feels so embedded in my life that it's hard to just pull that experience and quantify what I learned from it because it has been there, it has been present for 18 years of my life, most of my life. After a while, when I stepped on the national stage, then I realized that I have more responsibility, more than just to myself. And ever since then, I thought that, okay, I have to be an example and I have to serve as a symbol of something. I've always thought that my life experiences, being hardworking, being persistent, is something that I could show people that with these values, when you know what you're fighting for and when you know what you want to achieve, hard work, patience, persistence, these are the things that can make your dream come true. Of course, having the backup of the Miss Universe Philippines organization, it helps to know that your organization is behind you all the way, na hindi lang ikaw yung lumalaban. Everyone lumalaban, the Filipino fans, the organization, the people who are working behind the scenes. I'm the representation of the Philippines. Ako lang yung nasa stage, pero there are so many people behind what you see who work for me to be Miss Universe Philippines. And it's about them as much as it's about me. And I'm forever grateful for everyone who helped me reach my dream. And I'm forever thankful and grateful for everyone who has been part of my journey. To the Miss Universe Philippines organization, its employees and production team, especially to Sir Borge and Ms. Jelina, to the board of directors, especially to Ate Ara, Voltaire, and to Mama J, my original mama. Thank you for guiding me all throughout this experience and seeing the potential in me ever since I was a teenager up until we were on the Miss Universe stage. Forever grateful for that. To all the creatives who have lent me their talents, who made every vision a reality, I'm grateful for your contribution. Designers, Jojo Alidio, Michael Cinco, Amir Sali, Mac Tumang, and Val Taguba. To all the makeup artists I've worked with, especially Kuya Ace Vergara, Albert Cunyawan, and Tisay Moreno. Hairstylists, Naibok Noy Mateo, Jericho Valenzuela, and Renz Pangilinan. Stylists, AJ Alberto, Ryuji Shimizu, and Renz Alapitan. To all the photographers and videographers that I've worked with, especially Seven Barreto, Duki Dukay, Theo, and Siklav. And of course, my core team, the people who have seen everything, all the sides of me, but loved me and supported me nonetheless. To my sister Ali, who is the reason I'm Miss Universe Philippines 2025 because you pushed me. To Ian, who is the mastermind behind all the moves and all the pasarelas you see. Uyel, who has been my #1 supporter and friend for a very long time. Attorney JB, who have helped me open up and be proud of who I am. Sam, the visionary, amongst all the videos that you see we put out, who helped me put my story out there for people to understand. And Patty, who apart from being a very good stylist, has been a friend all throughout and helped me get through the challenges of being Miss Universe Philippines. To Mama Miki, who has been like a mom to me, who has given me life lessons and life learnings apart from great makeup skills. And Jem, who has been there through every pitik, every moment, every waking up early and every sleeping late, who supported me all throughout. I wouldn't have done all of this without all of you. And this journey is about you as much as it is about me. And I'm forever grateful for that. My trainers, aces and queens, especially Tito Nad and Mama Ru, and to my Mercator family who has always been there for me, Sane, Eljan, Mama Mao, thank you. Of course, my GMA family, especially Miss Annette and Miss Joy. Also, thank you to my Bello family. My Q&A trainers, Mama Raj, Mama Elmo, and Attorney Randall, who made sure I can articulate myself and my experiences so people get to know me better. And of course, I'm very grateful to my family who have been my supporters ever since I can remember, especially my mom, my sister, and my Ninong Lelis. Thank you. To my friends, my girlfriends, especially Bianca, George, and Tale, thank you for supporting me throughout this journey. And of course, my hometown, my beloved Candelaria, Quezon Province, thank you for shaping me to be who I am today. And of course, my APs, who are the reason I could join both times in Miss Universe Philippines. Tita Emma and Kuya Gerald, thank you for picking me and choosing me. And to all the pageant organizations that have contributed to who I am today, especially to BPCI, thank you. And to all the sisters I have gained throughout years of joining pageants, I'm grateful for you, especially to those who became friends and family. And of course, to my Atistahins, all of this is for you. Thank you for the love, the patience, and the belief in me. Throughout the years, kahit paulit-ulit na yung pagsali ko, never kong naramdaman na iniwan niyo ako. To the next generation of Filipino beauty queens, be ready. It's gonna be a beautiful journey. You're gonna learn a lot about yourself. You're gonna learn so much about other people as well who surround you. Just remember that your journey is your own. Remember to be present in every moment, no matter how hard that is. And it's gonna be really hard when you're tired and you have so many things in your mind that you're worrying about and thinking of. Surround yourself with the right people, the people who lift you up, the people who make you feel good about yourself. And stand proudly when you're on the Miss Universe stage. Remember, you're carrying the hopes, the stories, and the beauty of the Filipino people. We all have our own stories, we all have our own perfect timings. And winning or losing won't really define who you are and who you're going to be in the future. Maria Only you can define your own story.
Thank you so much, Atisa. your reign has been a testament to what it means to be a true Filipina. Graceful, purposeful, and unforgettable. And now,